I'm Barth Levine at the Catamaran Company, and this is Joy, a 2021 Bali 5.4 available in Fort Lauderdale. It's highly optioned and has an impressive list of recent improvements. A charter cabin layout with 5 cabins plus 2 crew, but it's only seen private use now, the second owner. You'll find this the lightest used and best equipped 5.4 on the global market. The hydraulic platform has an additional movement translating fore and aft, allowing for a larger tender. The custom arch supports 6 solar panels. Also mounted is a high performance Starlink antenna. A beautiful Hypalon aluminum center console with Yamaha 50. A factory propane barbecue. Custom synthetic decking. Private entrance to the master cabin. A propane locker. A shower head's been added to this 2-inch stainless steel tubing construction. A Raymarine docking camera and a complete cockpit enclosure. Optional spinnaker winch and deck entrance to the captain's cabin. The shore part cord stows in the cockpit locker. The coach roof has molded handrail. Solid bow has custom upholstery. Optional bowsprit for the Dacron Code Zero and drum furler. Forward cockpit walks through to the salon. Notice that both the headsail furling lines are routed below deck up to the flybridge. Coffee table converts to a full-size dining table. The generator is beneath the bench seat here in a sound enclosure. Flybridge has access from either side of the cockpit. Headsail is self-tending. A factory molded bimini top can be walked on for tending the mainsail. They molded in a neat snapping system for a full width windscreen that joins up with a complete enclosure. A very clever cockpit layout. Passenger life raft. Sunbathing area. A drink cooler and sink. The latest Axiom multifunction display and 4 4-inch displays. Yanmar electronic remote engine controls. Rack boom and stack pack. 24-mile radar. Mesh screens for the opening side windows. This cabin's deck access only, and it's been modified with a child length bunk, which could be used for storage. These deck lockers are full of dive gear. The famous Bali 5.4 open design. Full size side by side refrigerator freezer. Table is adjustable height. Fold open. Washer dryer. electric range and oven conversion. The aft wall opens garage door style by pulling these pins and latches, and is actuated electrically. The side windows slide forward for a wraparound open experience with the garage door open. Navstation has a Axiom multifunction display, Fusion stereo, and a remote start for the generator, which is forward. The Victron Servo GX monitor is a graphic display that supports remote management. MarineLEC fire suppression system monitor. The portside aft cabin is the master with a separate deck entrance. Some custom carpentry with remote control. A port forward VIP cabin. The four peak cabins have a watertight door. It's a very large compartment with private deck access, full-size bunk. There's provisions on each side for adding heads and air handlers for the chilled water system. Walking down the starboard companionway now, and forward is another VIP cabin. The midship cabin is double bunked, but has a full-size dry head. Starboard engine room is well laid out with some great equipment. Three separate MG BMS control panels and three separate MG masters with 4 channels each and remote disconnects. A custom battery box for 12 210 amp hour 12 volt MG batteries. An individual Victron solar controller for each of the 6 panels, about triple oversize. Also, separate DC circuit protection on the in and the out sides of the controller. Over on the port engine room, the FCI Max Q water maker is a fully automatic and remote controlled 1200 gallon per day with pre-filter option. High output alternator with external regulator. And finally, the hydraulic power pack for the tender lift.